Now here's a creature who has inspired so many wonderful names, hummingbird. What glorious names in English their iridescent wings have inspired. The names for hummingbird species deserve to be spoken aloud, as if they were poetry, and visualized as if they were paintings. Think about them. Glittering-bellied Emerald, Amethyst Woodstar, Red-tailed Comet, Green-crowned Wood Nymph, Horned Sungem, Fiery-throated Metaltail, Rainbow-bearded Thornbill, and that's only a small sampling. My favorite one, though, is the Spanish name for the smallest hummingbird of all. It's called in English a bee hummingbird, but in Spanish, this little wonder is called Zunzuncito. Can't you just hear it when you say it aloud? That name truly buzzes with the whirring of miniature wings. Zunzuncito.